Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase NFT sales with Opensea, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating your NFT on Opensea. Sign in to your Opensea account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the Create button to start the process of minting your NFT. Upload your digital file, ensuring it meets the necessary format requirements. Add a title and description that clearly represents your NFT. Set the properties, levels, and statistics to enhance the uniqueness of your item. Choose a suitable collection for your NFT, or create a new one if needed. Adjust your pricing strategy by selecting between fixed price or auction methods. Promote your NFT on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Join NFT communities and forums to share your work and connect with potential buyers. Utilize hashtags relevant to your artwork when posting online. Consider collaborating with other creators to increase visibility for both parties. Keep your artwork updated and maintain an active presence on Opensea. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Monitor the performance of your listings and adjust your strategies accordingly. Stay informed about market trends to adjust pricing and marketing efforts. Experiment with different types of NFTs, such as animations or 3D models, to attract diverse buyers. Establish a consistent brand identity that communicates your style and artistic vision. Consider hosting giveaways or contests to create buzz around your work. Follow up with buyers to encourage repeat purchases and foster long-term relationships. Evaluate your sales data regularly to identify what strategies are working best. Keep learning and adapting to the evolving NFT landscape for continued success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.